Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. So as you guys can see, today is another cook with me and Petagaye. So what we're doing today, I would say it's a jerk. How much is a jerk seasoning? So I'll be a jerk seasoning use, and I'm a jerk barbecue chicken. Jamaica, right? So I'm actually come for like the little intro, tell them what I'm gonna do and sing some. Yeah, so we're not gonna see the next clip about everything what happen, what take place, this and that. So let's get into it, guys. And also, even though I post on all my socials, comments any cooking videos, cooking ideas that you want me to do, bake anything, experiment. We can do some experiment to see if it work, to see if it come out. Anything you know, want me and Chin or me alone for do, or Chin alone or me alone, or me and Chin for do, wanna comment below, right? And yeah, and when you guys doing your baked chicken, let me know in the comment section what I wanna put in there. Like, you know, say good girl put the season, but you're not gonna see it in the next clip. So you know what, I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna want to some talk too much. I'm gonna get to the video. So after that, now I'm gonna come back to you. Alright. So guys, this is just a chicken I clean up and wash. Now I have the onion, the pepper, the garlic, the thyme, use some powder season, some Maggi all-purpose, some jerk seasoning. So I marinate it in the some season that I blend up. So it smells so good, you guys. So in this I have the onion, the skeleton, thyme, pepper, pimento, little bit of water, little bit of oil. I'm gonna just blend it up and it's a bit brownie. So yeah. Then I had a pan and I put all the chicken on the pan and pour the excess jerk sauce, and then I just placed it in the oven. So yeah. So guys, right now you can see say the chicken gone in the oven, but I bake it around for like, I start around 3 hours. No, not so long. Like I wasn't really timing it, you know, to be honest. I'm blunt. I never really time it. So it's like I always check for see if the meat tenderize, taste it for ensure say it's moist, if it want anything, and that's what I'm gonna do. So comment below what I want to put now or something. And then chicken will not do it, because as you guys see, like this, the mixture what I put on the chicken, even though I watch it already, we put like onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, pimento, little bit of oil and little bit of water. I'm just blend it up. So that by the way, right? And I'm just put it in the container and put the chicken in there and rub it up, like rub it up, and we can marinate for a couple minutes well, and then I just put it in the oven, put it on the pan, right, and put it in the oven and just lock up the oven and go and do it. They are done. So yeah. So guys, after 6 I'm gonna just start bake. I'm gonna just start vlog. So that, as you guys see, the chicken gone, you know. So that'll take 45 minutes to an hour. It depends on the texture of it, of how I like it. And then I'm gonna put some sauce on it and then but right now I'm doing some Aiko for life. Not sponsored, but guys, which Aiko is your favorite? So I'm just there go and build. So hope you guys good, you know. Guys, right now I'm actually turning the chicken over. So you know, you want to ensure that each side is cooked properly, right? So look at that so far, you guys. Like it's smelling so good, and it's, guys, oh my god, like you guys should definitely smell this chicken. No, the chicken is actually finished now. I'm just putting some barbecue sauce onto the chicken, and then I'm gonna just place it back into the oven, and then when I take it out again, I'm gonna turn it and put the barbecue sauce on the other side. So that's what I've been doing, you guys. So you guys can make your barbecue sauce or you can buy barbecue sauce. Guys, the chicken on one. You know, long good girl make some chicken. She just there for the food. She ever hungry. But so guys, the food tastes good. It tastes good. It tastes good.
I wish you guys could smell it right now.
The guys, the food soon done. It has shell. Turn up Dirty Berry now. Yes, we are talk. Oh, share watch Dirty Berry. So guys,
get up and mix up them.
Yeah,
everyone give a mix up them.
Mix up and blender the social media corner. Anyways, guys, comment anything you guys want us to cook for you. Maybe me and Chin, maybe me alone, maybe Chin alone, maybe me alone. So just let us know.
She never hear mom cook alone. She ever want butty.
You can't cook?
Of course.
Anywho.
Look at it.
Oh. So on the comment, I don't know was so cook. No worry, baking a cook. I know say Christmas is right around the corner.
Can't wait.
I'm not gonna start. So, and then I'm supposed to go up, do the sorrel something that might do tonight, tomorrow, who knows. So it's one. So I'm soon showing the plate and thing. So I'm gonna show you how it's looking at the oven now and things. Guys, look at that. Look at that. But let's make like a gravy. It's so done by me. You're truly. So guys, like me totally forget for showing the food. Like we're so hungry, don't forget. I'm gonna show them tomorrow. I'm gonna care for lunch, but let me just show them. Look up. Now would I show that because the food actually done. Just no say. It tastes so good. So yeah, I thought both say it look bread with our bread serve. Also other. So my right rice and my dirty chicken with a one. No baby man, Jesus, me that's so nice so. Yeah, anyways, I'm done this, I'm gonna do one haul, but we're not gonna see that in obviously my next video. I'm gonna finish this and do that and get so yes. The food is done. Like the food shell to the T-bone. Like whenever I get a video that I end up eating it off. I'm sorry. Like me even come home this afternoon and eat afterwards. Like legit. I forget some of the work that I put there. But next time I'll definitely show you guys how it came out. But come on good because I may cook it. But thank you again. If you guys enjoy what you guys saw, remember to give my video a thumbs up. And as I mentioned before, if you guys have any cooking videos, baking videos, any ideas overall you would like for me to do, Chin to do, me and Chin to do, or me alone and Chin alone to do, just comment below and we try to. We can even experiment with you guys. If you want to do an experiment with us cooking or anything like that, we will definitely do that for you guys. So this is where I want to end today's video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe if you have not already. Remember to catch up and keep up and enjoy, and tell a friend to come over to Petagaye Life. Like I know say, guess what? I do vlogs, I do cooking videos, I do challenges, I do Q&As. Like guys, I do everything. Vlogs, I'm always vlogging. Cooking, I'm always eating. Story time? No. I did a story time? We have a story time. I think so. I don't really know. And also comment some video ideas you guys would like for me to do. If you want to do a story time, like anything you guys want to see, just drop it in the comment section. I read all my comments. I like all my comments. Like you guys don't be afraid to talk to me on any of my social. I respond to everybody. Text me on Snapchat, I respond. Text me on Instagram, I respond. Twitter, of course. Facebook, guys. What happened? Like, guys, why you guys not going over to my Facebook page, like liking it, giving it a like, tell your friend to come over and like the page? Like, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? Like, keep in mind, you know, if you did not know, I'm going to do a giveaway. But how can I do a giveaway if you guys not like liking our Facebook page too? Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snap. Like, you guys don't want free stuff? Like, you don't think you guys deserve free stuff? Yes, you guys deserve free stuff. Okay? So just remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my social, everything in there below. When you click the link, follow. Click the link, like. That's all you guys need to do for me. And if you don't want to donate, like $5, $10, $15, anything, it doesn't really matter. But if you just want to donate to me, you can. The PayPal link is also in the description box. So as Jamaican people always say, every mickle make a muckle. So you can definitely do that if you guys would like to. But now stop that now, because me for edit that vlog here for you guys to see it. So remember, so thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Yeah, but anyways, bye.